In today's video, I will teach you how to make a photo look vintage with a film look using AI. Let's get started. A vintage film look gives your photo timeless charm, nostalgic tones, and cinematic vibes. With AI tools like ChatGPT's image generation, you can quickly transform modern photos into classic film-style images without complex software. To do this, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your free account or create one if needed. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to switch to AI image generation mode. Now click the plus icon again and choose Add Photos or Files. You can also press Ctrl-U or Command-U on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now select the image from your computer that you want to give a vintage film look. High-quality photos work best, and portraits and landscape both look great with film-style effects. Now in the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to do, and make sure to include details like the color tone, grain, lighting, and mood. Here are some good prompt examples. Make sure to be very specific about the film type, color grading, and vintage effects to achieve a realistic result. Now press enter to let the AI apply the vintage film effect. Then wait for the AI to generate the updated image. And don't worry if the first result isn't perfect. You can tweak your prompt and regenerate until you get the desired effect. But make sure to keep the adjustments subtle to maintain a natural film look. Overdoing grain or contrast can make the image look artificial. Now hover over the final image, then click download to save it to your computer. You can also click share to post it directly to your social media. The free plan for ChatGPT allows generating up to 5 images per day, so upgrade your plan if you want to generate more images. And here are some tips for a realistic vintage film look. With these steps, you can transform any modern photo into a nostalgic cinematic vintage image in just a few minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.